everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Days. My name is Melissa, and I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. I just wanted to hop on quick here today and share this grapefruit detox juice that I make up, and it really goes to work at the inflammation inside of your body. It gives you that flat belly feeling, and if you're just starting out on your weight loss journey, this is a great starting point. I just like to sip on it about 6 ounces before each meal, and I am telling you, it helps you to consume less calories during the meals that you are eating, and also the intentional ingredients that we're putting into our bodies go to work chemically, and they get me the weight loss results that I'm looking for. So if that all sounds good to you, let's put it together.
On my channel, you will find a variety of weight loss tips. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. I upload new videos every week.
All right, so if you guys have checked out any of my other videos, you know that I always encourage you to go ahead and screenshot this page so that you can go to the store and pick up the exact ingredients to make this grapefruit, apple cider vinegar, and lemon detox today. The recipe that I have on the page will make up 2 gallons, and you can sip on that for the next 5 days. I just recommend drinking about 6 ounces before each meal. All right, so once you have all your ingredients gathered up, you just start cutting up your grapefruit, squeeze that in. I'm going to add in to my jar. I've already got started, but squeeze in your grapefruit. Get those all squeezed. All right, and once you have your grapefruit all added in there, go ahead and get to work at the lemon. Squeeze in your lemons. Start sipping on this. I am telling you, it goes to work at that inflammation in your body. You feel so much less bloat. We all want to have that flat belly feeling, and this detox does it for us. So keep squeezing in all your lemons. Once you have your lemon all squeezed in there, onto the apple cider vinegar. And I said I'm going to sip on this for the next 3 to 5 days. So for however many days I'm going to do it, that's how many tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar with the mother. You always want to look for the kind with the mother. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon for each day that I'm going to be drinking this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I go on to my cayenne pepper. This is such a metabolism rever. Now this is very strong, so I highly recommend to just do half a teaspoon of the cayenne pepper. All right, and get that all mixed up. And finally, we're just going to add in the rest of our gut health ingredients. So we're going to do a full teaspoon of the ground cumin. Okay, mix that in. We are going to do a full teaspoon of our ground cinnamon. And a full teaspoon of the ground ginger. All of these ingredients, maybe you typically wouldn't add into your meal plan, but now we are going to be intentional to do so that we can get that flat belly and start to go to work at that inflammation that's been built up inside of our body. So continue to mix that. So finally, we're going to add in our raw honey. Now, honey is a natural antioxidant, so it's not going to spike your blood sugar levels, but it is going to give it the sweetness that this recipe does need. So I'm going to go ahead and add, for this big of a recipe, I'm going to add in 2 full tablespoons of the honey. And again, look at that recipe card that I posted. Make sure you screenshot it, go to the store, get all the ingredients, and follow the recipe and start sipping on this for the next 3 to 5 days. And let me know the results. Let me know how that belly is feeling, if it feels like the inflammation has gone down, if you are experiencing the flat belly results. Get that all mixed in, and then it is ready to pour and serve. All right, so you guys saw how easy that was to whip up. I'm just going to stick this entire jug into my refrigerator. I'm going to sip on it over the next 5 days, and I am going to have that flat belly feeling. I'm going to have the inflammation in my midsection go down, and I am so excited for this. I so hope you guys will make a commitment to make this recipe this week. Sip on 6 ounces before each meal, and then leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know your results. I'm so excited to do this weight loss journey with you. Start incorporating all these small changes into your weekly meal plan, and you are going to get the weight loss results that you're looking for. Subscribe to my channel, check out all my weight loss recipes, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for checking out my videos. If you're looking for more healthy weight loss tips, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos each week. I have different weight loss recipes, different weight loss smoothies for you to start incorporating into your weekly meal plan. See you next time.